Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the personal hotspot on this phone. Simply open settings. Then here you can see the option mobile service. And at the bottom you can see the option personal hotspot. Now you can see we are not able to enable this option here. So to enable or set up the personal hotspot, tap on the option mobile service. Now here you can see the option mobile data. First of all, we need to enable the mobile data. After enable the mobile data, here you can see the option personal hotspot. Tap on this one. Turn on this option. Okay. Now here you can see your Wi-Fi password. You can see here. You can otherwise you can change the password. If you tap on this one, you can easily change the password. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable the personal hotspot on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.